No, he's not getting that.
Grandma, now? Look, look.
Then roll it.
I'll make another cast.
You made a mistake, dude.
Catch it.
Where's it gonna come from?
We'll let it go. Grandma.
Keep going, keep going. You got it stuck in this weed. You killed him.
Very good, Sam.
We'll let it go, Grandma.
Huh? We're gonna let him go?
Yeah, we'll let him go.
You killed him. Oh no, it's still flapping.
Come on, Grandma, come
Wait,
on.
wait.
You take a picture like this too.